magic.
We have a fourth box.
Kasi kumuha kami.
Bonus.
Kumuha ng case kasi.
Hindi yan kasi pakipon pa ayaw kung sabihin na case ang binili namin.
Kasi hindi nga ako binibentahan eh. Kasi nga hindi nga ako binibentahan. So ngayon, na nakita na nila yung mga nakuha natin, ang tanong, bebentahan ba tayo? Malamang hindi din.
Magdusa
ka.
Especially with the previous box. Talaga, so,
magdusa ka.
Nagdusa kami doon. I mean, the first 2 boxes were okay.
Balik nga natin to eh. Baka ito yung, ano ba yung ginamit natin na ano?
Ito yung pangatlo.
No, I mean like,
second din yan. Second. So, anyway, this is the 4th box that we're gonna break from the case that we bought. So, let's go! So, prepare yourself.
For sadness once again.
Sa akin, hindi na lang ako makasa para whatever happens, happens.
Whatever happens, happens. Whatever happens,
Yes,
happens.
Flynn, nice. Set na tayo ng
Yep.
Flynn.
Actually, feeling ko may extra.
Foil eh.
Move ko lang yung camera. Sebastian Crab.
Ariel.
Meron kasi kanina foil. So ngayon, meron ka ng legit para stick mo kasi hindi na natin kailangan yung...
Mayroon ako isa pa, di ba? Isa scene.
Oh, yes.
So pangalawa na natin yun.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
First pack.
It's a bad start. Okay, wind dancers fine, but
they can't all be hits.
Yeah.
They can't all be hits.
Obviously.
Marami na rin na time ka, di ba? Could have been great. Prince Philip too. Ay, sorry, di kita. Well, it was terrible anyway. Ito na. Ito na po. Oink.
Ariel.
Pwede na mag-steal song joke.
Yeah. Wala naman.
Hindi.
Bakit
Walang...
hindi? For fun.
Magkatabi pa lang yun.
Lagi na lang.
It's like it happened.
Yeah.
Again.
Yung nauna lang si
Ursula.
We had 2 sets.
It happened again.
Yes. What are
It's amazing.
What are the odds?
What are the odds? So weird.
As you can see, pagod na ko.
Mabilis na speed through na lang. Malaman na kung ano laman.
Hindi kasi sa pagod na. It's more of
ang weird ng printing yan.
Yeah. Hindi dahil sa pagod na, pero parang lungkot kasi talaga yung isang box kanina.
It's an emotionally
draining box. Even yung pag ko, hindi ko na nalala.
Importante lang naman yung mga nasa ilalim. Pangatlo na.
Set na nga eh. Set na nga eh.
Third Gazelle.
Medyo off-centered. Horny King. Hi.
I don't mind, but could have been better. Could have been a lot better.
Could have been a lot better.
Nagtanggal na ng sombrero kasi. Ako. Kailangan ko na ng pagbabago.
Squash banana.
Upset.
Kasi gagamitin natin siya. Okay.
At least, kung may kailangan kayo sa bulk namin, just message us.
Nakaka-bitter talaga. Nakaka-bitter talaga eh.
Naku, location.
Sabi sa atin, mag-location deck tayo. Yun lang.
Sige, we're gonna make...
Yun lang yung ibig sabihin nun.
We're gonna take advantage of this.
Lang ibig sabihin nun.
Oh my god, this looks like looks like this box is worse.
Maaga pa, madami pang
Not
bago.
a good start, but we're hoping that it ends well.
Maglo-location deck na naman daw kami. Sabi.
Ilabas ang mga John Silver.
Ilabas ang mga John Silver.
Stocks.
Meron. So, Bellwether. Great for sealed.
Hindi ko ginamit yun, nakakuha ko na.
Not even?
Hans. Third Hans.
It's Hans.
Dami.
Jasmine.
Kala ko, muntik na akong na naman, magoyo na naman nung shiny.
Shine. Ito yung mas bagay maging shining, shimmering, blended. Parang hindi siya split.
Tignan ninyo, si Hans, nagte-text na lang. Kasi tumuko na siya eh.
Before midnight, yung aking Duolingo.
Okay.
Duolingo. Oh, for your personal improvement.
Yes. Yun na lang ang pwede na improve.
Pangalawang phone.
Kaya malay mo, mag-improve. Robin Hood.
Set na yata ito eh.
Set na yan.
Oh, sure.
Our sixth, the most common super.
The most common super rare of all.
Which is, it's not a bad card, to be honest.
Bilisan na natin kasi may bonus content pa tayo sa dulo eh. May bonus content pa tayo eh.
Matami pang packs.
Hindi, tsaka may bonus content nga tayo sa dulo. Mga pahabol.
Yay!
Dami natin sheer cam.
May chance pa na may magandang kalalabasan. Ay, nako.
Tayo. Yung Taran count natin, nadagdagan na naman. Nadagdagan na naman yung ating Taran count.
Basta sa post na lang. Pagod na.
Taran count. +1 ulit.
We're doing this for you.
We suffer for you.
We suffer for you. Continuously suffering.
So great.
Alam niyo, inuunahan ninyo. Kaya nagkakaganon eh.
Nice.
Uy! 19.
Oh,
Yeah. Pwede na.
Good.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Isa pang Mowgli.
Third of the box.
Isa pang Mowgli. Pa tayo. Pang G's eh.
Hindi sana. Pagdalawa na lang.
Tayo binibentahan eh. Kasi masama balak eh. Ito na naman yung joke natin.
Huwag na, tama na. Isa lang. One time lang. Okay.
Hindi na gumagana.
Panoorin nyo na lang ulit yung ibang.
Panoorin nyo na lang ulit. It's the bomb. It's the bomb box. Minsan umaasa na lang ako sa yung foil stuff eh.
Kailan naman umasa na
Pwede.
lang sa foils?
Ito nga lang, hindi eh.
Halatang-halata na yung pagka-deflated na.
Oo nga eh.
Kasi been through. Talagang tindi ng third box na yun and I'm hoping this is not worse.
Probably.
Pag lumabas yung akala natin.
Yun na yung sign. Yun na yung sign.
Ay, nako. Account keeps going up.
Count keeps going up.
2 sets?
Sana Thunderbolt na lang. Pero hindi eh. It had to be Taran. Locations talaga dude eh. Pinapag-location deck talaga tayo eh.
White Agony Play.
White Agonists like us.
Ayun.
We're in the
We're in Agony. Uy.
Uy.
Anong number?
Uy.
Anong number?
Silip nga nung ano.
Mababa?
100 something.
Oh, mataas.
100 something.
Ruby?
No, it's
Meron.
probably Steel.
Di ba?
100
200 sa
17.
That was 204 lang ang cards.
At 200.
It's probably Steel.
Okay.
Oh no, it's probably Prince Charming. It's probably Dalawa na lang.
Ay, naku.
Ay, okay, sige.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, may points na ba yan? Hindi pa.
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Well,
Probably Prince Charming. Ito. Nasa ilalim.
Ay. Okay.
Parang pangatlong foil bagpipes na yun.
Pangalawang point.
Okay na yung... Hindi ako magre-reklamo din sa Goliath.
Goliath.
Yeah.
Usable.
Of course. Everything's for BJ, nothing for me.
Immobile eh.
May mabili na, dalawa.
Kulang pa. Dami natin iago.
The other Goliath.
The other Goliath.
Kamo.
Set na ba?
And probably. So disheartening.
Okay.
It's probably a Magica. Uy! Uy! Okay.
Lil Jon! Ngayon lang yun. Uy.
Wait lang.
Sa foil slot.
Points na.
Sa foil slot.
Oo nga, foil
Sa
flat.
foil slot siya.
Number. Hindi edge.
Hindi eh.
Sa foils.
Legendary sa foil slot.
Number.
Probably 990.
Just rip out the band-aid.
Oh! Webby!
Webby.
It's our second foil Webby.
Second.
It's our second foil Webby.
So,
again, we are
Hindi,
unfoiling. So,
tsaka getting a legendary on the foil slot din eh.
it could have been the Enchanted.
take the W.
Yeah, take the W. It could have been.
It could have been the Enchanted.
I mean, this early in the box, nakakuha na tayo ng...
Hindi kasi kung Enchanted Webby yan, yung third box, mawala yung curse eh. Mawala yung curse. So, alam ninyo na, again, we are actively defoiling.
We don't want to
na lang
bring...
That's our second foil
Bus
Webby.
na tayo kay Nico.
Meron pa tayo.
Kaya nga, di ba yung foil na Headless Horseman
Grenade na namin
for a non-foil?
for a non-foil heavy.
Yay.
Thanks, no? Thanks,
Thanks, Wancho.
Set na yung Bagheera. Talaga, sabi ko sa'yo, pinapag-location deck tayo.
Okay lang.
Here.
The Sultan! Please!
Castle. Oh! Sabi ko sa'yo.
Set
Set
na.
na. Open location deck na talaga ang ending natin.
Feel ko, ilabas yung tunnels eh.
Ilabas na ang mga John Silver.
Silvers.
Ilabas na
Tsaka
ang
mga
mga
goofy set for adventure.
goofy set for adventure.
Pwede kong mag-pirate. Kahit na hindi siya lumpat na, no? Since most of the stuff are pirate.
I mean, like,
12 pack. half of the box na.
The box.
Sana it doesn't end here.
Sana nga it doesn't end there. Judy Hopps mo na naman.
Oh, yay! Judy Hopps. Here ka.
Ilan na natin to?
Pangatlo.
Come on.
Well, kasi we got a foil, no? Come on. It's blue. It doesn't even have a door pin. What the hell?
That's rare.
Bakit siya rare?
Wala. Gusto lang nila.
Grabe. May ready chosen item.
What a waste of a rare slot. Might as well get a foil one.
Might as well get a foil one. Well, get a foil one.
I mean, 3 Dark Questor possibly with the right deck.
As well, get a foil one.
Flash.
Okay. Dun 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 dun. One. Naman.
The blue is the blue blood.
Okay.
Double balloon. Oh, baka balloon na nasa ilalim nito. It would be great. Ako, di ako magreklamo. But it's not.
Solve a mystery.
Oras na.
Or rewrite history.
5 to 12.
Well. The Bronx. The Bronx. Ba't nagbabasa? Hindi ako nagbabasa kasi. Kaya sabi ni Mancho, so painful to watch. Sabi mo rin, so painful.
Who's this?
I also, medyo, ako niya.
Yeah, I can tell.
Pagod na din lahat eh. Be out.
Pagod.
Kaya nga nag-intentional doon ako.
Ngayon lang yun ah.
Hindi, kanina.
Yeah, we had
tatlo
one.
na.
This is the third. So much trust. Leto na yung trust natin.
Come on.
Each opposing character gets
It's a
Yoink.
bird.
Uy!
At least it's the
Foil
most
ka.
It
expensive
was the expensive one.
Foil pa. Value.
Will we get value? Ilan na yan?
That would be the 15th pack.
9 to go.
We're almost done, mga ma'am sir. Only. Baby's diary. In dark blonde gold. Dun, 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 dun.
Super rare. Magic.
Ano naman?
Hindi po yung nag-spin.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Hindi naman siya.
Ito.
Eh,
Ilan na? Tatlo?
kaso nga lang, yung pinakailangan mo, hindi natin nakukuha eh.
Last yun. Last na dadating. The Flash.
Okay lang, basta makakompleto ako ng set ng Endless Sports 1.
Wala ka pa rin Cindy, loko ka.
Isa!
Better than wala.
Better than nothing.
Better than Control.
It could have been an old run.
Wag yun nang i-mention, baka lumabas eh.
Ito that would be so, for the content.
Sino ba yun yung, bumili siya ng case? Anima.
Oh, grabe, may 6 na cauldron.
So painful.
Set na yung Horny King natin.
The Horny King that I don't want. The Horny King that I don't want.
Alam mo yung the best? Yung China Horny King.
Yun yan. Kung kaya.
Kaya.
No.
Hindi.
They're good at.
But a good sealed pick. It's a very good pick. Mother God.
Maganda siya pang sealed. Solid sealed pick.
Baka tayo ng sealed guide muna.
Asantis bang.
Kung gusto niyo ng sealed guide, actually, read the one that's written by Frank Karsten. Dun sa Lorcana. Official
Grabe
Lorcana
na
website.
naman. This would have been super great in sealed. Ang sarap niyan.
Tawa na.
Tama na.
Pahinga
na yung joke. Pahinga na yung joke.
Si Cold Stone.
Pahinga na yung joke.
Okay.
Tana. Tanong muna. Ano yung
Mababa,
mataas? Mataas. Ay, mababa. Mababa.
No.
Hindi.
Okay.
I think it's okay.
Oy,
Good.
I think it's okay.
Raps is good.
Ay, yung next. Gangster ka dyan na. Gangster ka dyan na.
Nag-hyperventilate na ako.
Gangster ka dyan. Gangster.
Ano ako yung witness. Ano po? Pumunta po ako dun sa location tapos siya ako na po binigay yung mark money. yung minamapol yung boses.
Broadway.
Going to Broadway. Okay naman.
That's not bad. This one is not bad.
Big bintahan dito.
24. Wow.
Spoiled la. Let's
Hey.
go.
Probably not. But perhaps last 6 tanks.
Oh. Just going back to the evidence source.
Dalawa na yung ano natin.
Ang lakas nito against Steels. Ang daming ang tatamaan.
Maraming ang tatamaan.
Pinaka-highest na nakuha kong damage sa kanya is 8.
Oh, that.
But that's only happened once. Most of the time, it's 4 or 6.
That's a lot.
Yeah, but still a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
That is so old.
Titos.
Titos.
Yeah.
Set na.
Diablo.
Set na. Set na Diablo
Kahit
natin.
na Diablo.
Eh, yung gusto natin yan dito sa ilalim. Foil.
The second
foil.
Elisa Masa.
From the same box.
Yes.
I think, no?
It is from the same box.
That's so bad. Oras na. Time
It
check.
is 12:02.
Check. Ilang minutes na yung recording?
We are at 23 minutes.
Meron kasi tayong ano eh.
May bonus.
Is it double recovered page?
Yes.
I guess. Nasaan yun? Na-video.
Balikan na lang.
No.
Pero parang double recovered page siya.
It is.
Oh, that's so terrible.
Maybe it's a bonus.
That's so terrible.
Bogo.
Oh, usually yung katabi ng Bogo, maganda.
Tignan natin.
Tignan natin. Yung kasama ng Bogo, maganda. Pero, pwede na.
Okay na.
Third.
Third na din.
Third.
Yeah.
Eh, itong nasa ilalim nito. Oh! Oh!
Hindi ko na.
Number.
Hindi. Ayop ka. Rare lang pala.
Kasi nauto na naman ako nung ano eh. Nauto na naman ako nung ano eh, nung foiling nung Whisper eh.
Antayin mo muna kasi lumabas ito. Ba?
Hindi kasi maganda yung ilalim pa lang.
Wala na.
Kailangan natin ng anti-hype. Ay, suspense.
Last 4 packs.
Ay, sakla.
Well, it's better. It's better than our third box, definitely. Well, did have that hate. Pero parang overall, I think overall the hits were a little bit better. Go na daw talaga.
Last na to sa talaga.
Papucha, Duckbird. Go. Go. Ito na. Yeah.
Launch pad.
Launch pad. Hades.
Launchpad yung character na laging namamandela effect. Some people think that he appeared in Tailspin. But he did not. He appeared in DuckTales and Darkwing. Sidekick and
Sidekick siya ni ano.
But a lot of people think na ano.
Spooky!
So may tig-dalawa na tayong spooky.
Pwede na mag-split.
Pwede na tayong mag-split.
Uy! Katabi ng spooky.
Katabi ng spooky? Ayoko. We are a family-friendly show.
Parang gusto ko silipin yung mga number dun eh. 93.
93. Meron? Maybe.
That's our fourth Webby.
No.
Third?
Oh!
Fourth
Webby.
So 2 foils and 2
foils and
non-foils.
2 non-foils. Yep. Not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, pwede na talaga akong mag-Emerald Steel.
Yeah.
So, Webby.
Definitely this box
The same
way
box.
better
Way
than
better.
the third. Pero yung pinakapanalo yata yung second din. No?
MANG.
Makaka-Cindy pa ba tayo with the last 2 packs?
Huh?
Makaka-Cindy pa ba tayo?
Oo. Hindi naman natin. You never know. And
The non-zero
Yeah.
chance.
Schrodinger's pack.
Well, pwede na
dalawang set.
tayo. Dalawang set na ba? Ako, set na din yung ano
Set
mo.
na,
Set na yung
yay.
Daisy Duck mo. Set na yung Daisy Duck mo, my friend.
So great.
So great. Such a great one.
Great card.
At least binigyan tayo ng foils. Last pack.
Ito na, lahat ng kasal.
Last pack. Are we going to get last pack magic? Are we? Will we?
Not gonna get last pack, man. We're gonna get last pack, Lord. Hindi tayo nagawa.
Bronx.
Okay. Last 3.
Hingang malalim.
Ang malalim.
Wala pa.
Okay, isa pa.
Yellow.
Okay, ito na po. Last. Dun.
Not bad. But you only really need
Could
one.
be better. Not what you think it is.
I know. Oh my God! Tatlo ata yung foil natin na ganyan.
Gawan ba natin ito ng deck? 5.
Pwede naman.
Pwede siya mag-UTS.
Pwede. Shift 5.
Pwede siya mag-UTS.
We might as well. Binigyan na tayo eh. Uy!
Last.
Save that for last. Ayoko na.
Hindi siya Enchi.
Yeah, I know it's not an enchanted, but I just hope it's a legendary that we actually want.
No, it's not something that we want, but we could use.
Yeah.
Actually, dahil dito, complete na yung set natin. So, isipin mo na lang po.
Okay. So, complete na yung Webby.
Hindi, dalawa lang Goliath natin eh. Actually, nakakuha ako ng isa sa seal. Hindi natin masaset yun.
Well, tingnan na lang natin.
Tada!
Wraps.
Okay.
Foil pa.
Foil.
Wraps.
Foil wrap. Kung pinaka-closing natin.
Ang closing natin ay
Okay.
So, we got one earlier na wrap.
Actually, look, for this box, we got a non-foil version of Webby.
Yes, and we got a non-foil. We got a foil
version
version.
of Webby.
Sa foil slots.
Foil
Sa
version
foil
of Rapa. So, not a bad, definitely better than the third box. So, I mean, overall, synthesis. And so the legendaries, ito,
Wala tayong epic.
wala tayong epic box. Of course, Endless Horseman for me. Diablo set na. Mowgli for Ian.
Ang panandalawa.
Kulang pa ng dalawa. So, please, bentahan ako.
Hindi tayo bebentahan.
Bakit? Ba't naman kami ang hindi nyo bebentahan?
Kasi may masamang balak daw tayo palagi.
Hindi. Kagaya na sinabi namin ng previous episodes. We get results, but we still lose. Hindi naman tayo nang noob stamp pa.
So anyway, meron tayong bonus content.
Bonus content.
Na oras na ba?
It's 12:10. But,
Time nung
32
recording.
minutes.
Sakto.
Sakto. So,
Sakto tayo
meron pa tayong mga...
for bonus content.
Teka, mamaya na natin
Mamaya,
naisip ang mga to.
anuin mo natin to. Then, gagawin natin ay ilagay dyan. Kasi may isang magdadagdag.
Yeah, bumili din ng pakita
mo na muna natin.
Okay.
Oh, ikaw stop.
Nabuksan na.
Swap tayo.
Ayan. Hans, take the throne. Ay, pakilagay na din ito. Yan. Oh, Hans.
Kasabay din kasi dumating nung box or nung case. Basically nung release ng merchandise nga nung Whispers in the Well, yung fabled na collection starter set. So, ito yung mas humble lang na na purchase na merong ito. So, may 4 packs, may kasamang big tank na Glimmer Foil promo card. Tapos, meron nga din siyang kasamang yung binder. Mickey Mouse na Brave Tailor.
Binder. Ayun, pakita natin yung binder. Here's the binder. And dito sa close-up camera natin. And of course, sa ating... And ayun, ito pala yung packs eh. Ayun.
So yung pack sa loob, sealed nga din siya. So we'll try to open them. Tapos, andito nga din, up close up front, yung Tinkerbell na kasama nung collection starter. Super shiny.
Play 1-1. I want 4. Iyala. Ikaw naman bumili na 4 na ganyan. So, bonus content, we will be opening
for
the Fabled packs. The previous set, the transition set, as we'd like to call it, from rotation.
So, hopefully better, and then hopefully hindi reprints, but we'll see.
Hopefully hindi reprints in a Fabled pack. We'll see.
Actually, dahil naggana tayo, box break tayo, maraming action na nangyari dun sa buy and sell, and we missed out. But we probably wouldn't have got anything because people will not sell to us.
Why? We didn't do anything to you.
Adin, Benja. So, yeah, so far, mga
All reprints.
All reprints.
Yeah.
Roxanne.
Oo, yun. Isang deck na talaga.
Ano yung next?
Ariel. Evasive.
Foil slot.
Oh,
Lilo.
Lilo Foil na Best Explorer. Okay.
Goofy.
Not bad.
Goofy.
Although,
Alam mo, yun talaga binigay lahat ng pang-location.
ito na, it's a sign.
Ilabas na ang mga Gun Silver.
In the Woods. 9. Doris. Max Goof.
Yan, si Hans ang aming Max.
Aming Max Group.
Meg. Mouse. Marian. Of Hearts. Mirror. Mob Song. Oh,
Double the powder.
Sing Me.
Here. Crap.
Okay.
2 more packs to go.
Pat lang pala yun.
4 lang. Bonus content. Before we
Bonus stats
wrap up
before we
this
wrap up.
4-part case break. Was supposed to be just a box break. 2 boxes. But
Nilubos na namin.
nilubos na
kami.
namin. Nandito na tayo.
Storm.
Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit may press release pa si Ian na 2 lang yung box.
Para kasi isipin nila na wala talaga tayong kinuha.
Rafiki.
Alicia.
Alicia.
Foil.
Ba't iba yung insert niya, no? Yan yung power line pa.
Lalo kasi tayong hindi bebenta. Pag sabi, willing na ng box.
Yan ang case.
Yan ang case.
Ano kasalanan namin?
Nadadabay nga kayo dahil sa akin eh.
Kasi ikaw ang face
Ng team.
ikaw ang main visual. si Hans ang ating makni. May isa pa palang member ang Lorcan Tito na, well, kilala nyo naman siya. Some of you
Cusco?
Cusco.
Uy, Star! Okay.
Medyo mas bumalik na siya sa relevance ngayon.
So, for the 4 packs, may Scar, may Lilong Best Explorer,
Na foil.
na foil. So, okay na din.
Okay na din.
Diba? With the binder pa, diba? Tapos,
Hindi na.
bonus lang din naman. Tapos, yun nga, kasama nung
So,
pink na foil.
so check the affiliate links. Joke. Wala kami.
Kailangan ninyong panoodin ito ng medyo mahaba-haba para mag-qualify kami for all the stuff. So,
Wala ka na sa
we gave you suffering content. So, yun.
Dito, hindi ka na
Kasi nag-aayos ako ng mga stuff dito. Pero nakakalungkot. I mean, like, it's not terrible.
Pero,
It's not great.
pero lugi negosyo. Lugi negosyo.
It's not great. It's also not terrible.
Naka-isang Cindy tayo at least. We got our second Demona, we got our second Hades.
At naiwasan yung Black Hole.
Naiwasan yung Black Colton.
Ang kapalit noon, mga 2 set ng Taran.
Tsaka nahagip kami ni Prince Charming.
Kahit isa lang nun.
Pero okay na yun. Okay
Pinyagan na.
Hindi na din. Yeah. Financially, hindi lang pa. Yeah.
Yun.
Pero guys, we're not here for the financial stuff. If we're gonna have fun with these cards, that's where we will get all of that value. Nagawa na natin.
May usable.
Then, yung na-realize ko na parang kaya pala gumagawa ng tawag ko rin ng box break yung mga content creator for suffering.
Schadenfreude the content. Anyway, ayan mga pamangking, mga Illuminephews at Illuminieces. Maraming salamat. Thank you for suffering with us.
Thank you for suffering with us.
And yun nga, ito na rin ang debut ni Lorcan Tito Hans dito sa podcast na we will have him a bit more often in future episodes. So, yun. That is it again. Again, thank you very much. All of you have a good day, good night, or whatever time it is.